everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a scarf video. So I'm going to be using this scarf. I am going to share the measurement of the scarf at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. I'm also going to use a satin scarf. It's just my random satin scarf. If you watch my hairstyle videos, you would know this scarf. I'm going to use it for some of the styles or maybe all of the styles depending on how I feel. I did not measure this one. So let's get straight into the video, okay?
Throw your stuff away. Don't hesitate. Don't be scared. New ways will appear in front of you. New wealth too. I know it's a bad day, catching every teardrop. Try to tame a hurricane. Wish you didn't feel alive. But if you try to embrace rather than push away, you will find this place getting better day by day. Day by day. Day by day. Day by day. Big feelings coming closer. It's okay. You're taught the opposite. Let's rewire. I know it's a bad day, catching every teardrop. Try to tame a hurricane. Wish you didn't feel alive. But if you try to embrace rather than push away, you will find this place getting better day by day. Oh, listen to the words I say. You can take it day by day. Listen to the words I say. I know it's a bad day, catching every teardrop. Try to tame a hurricane. Wish you didn't feel alive. But if you try to embrace rather than push away, you will find this place getting better day by day. Day by day. Day by day. Day by day.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh,
I'm going to measure the scarf for you guys. It's a stretchy fabric, a bit stretchy. So for the width, this is the tape I could find. I could not find my fabric tape, okay? So just bear with me because this is what I'm going to be using to measure the scarf. Because I know someone's going to ask me about the measurements and I don't want to have to like keep procrastinating measuring it. So I'm going to start now. So let's say if I'm not stretching it out, it's around 82 centimeters for the width. Let's check the length. This one is going to be a different story entirely. I don't know how to go about this, but I got this, right? Yeah. So for the length, I'm just trying to measure it. Okay, so I'll drop it. I'm holding it here, so I'll drop that. This would be an estimate. It's not going to be like an exact figure because, as you can see, I'm struggling. We're still going. Okay, finally. 227 centimeters, okay? Oh, okay. Yeah, 227 centimeters by whatever the first number I called. This is the measurement of the scarf. Like I promised you guys I was going to share at the end of this video. So let me know your favorite style and I will see you guys in my next video, alright? Bye!
Life is guaranteed, but everything